DeKalb County in north-central Illinois until 2:30 p.m. At 1:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Franklin Road, 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kirkland, Lee, Kings, Rochelle, Chana, Malta, Illinois, western DeKalb County in north-central Illinois. At 1:26 p.m., a city moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kirkland, Lee, Kings, Rochelle, Chana, Malta, Shabona, Hillcrest, Creston, Stewart, Waterman, Ashton, and Lost Nation. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.